In this video, I'm going to compare HighLevel and Klaviyo across a few important departments, including features, ease of use, pricing structure, customer support, and much more. So I hope that by the end of this video, you have a good idea of which tool is better for your specific business needs. For your convenience, I've included links to both platforms in the description of this video, so you can follow along and sign up to the one that you think is better by the end of the video. So let's start by browsing each website and seeing what it looks like. So this is what HighLevel's website looks like, and this is the Klaviyo main website. And let's talk about the features and functionality of HighLevel and Klaviyo. So HighLevel is a comprehensive platform that's designed primarily for marketing agencies, but it also works really well for individual marketers, solopreneurs, and content creators. So it combines a range of features including a built-in CRM, marketing automation, sales funnels, and robust reporting tools. Now, HighLevel can truly be thought of as an all-in-one platform for marketers because it offers end-to-end features for any marketing business. So it includes everything you need to build a high-quality sales funnel, starting from landing pages and email collection, and it goes all the way to payment collection and analytics tools. A popular feature among marketers is HighLevel's white labeling options that allows agencies to brand the platform as their own and offer it as a service to clients without worrying about legal issues like copyright. So you can literally rebrand the HighLevel platform as like your own software. They actually give you legal permission to do that. Klaviyo, on the other hand, focuses on email marketing and e-commerce automation. So that makes it a really popular platform for dropshippers and Amazon FBA businesses who want to be able to automatically send emails and texts to their customers to tell them about a new product or things that are on sale, essentially driving more revenue. So unlike HighLevel, Klaviyo doesn't offer CRM functionality to manage client interactions, pipelines, and sales processes. It also doesn't have appointment setting or other features like that. It pretty much focuses on sending automated emails and SMSs. Klaviyo also doesn't include a funnel and website builder that can allow agencies to create and manage web pages and sales funnels directly within the platform, which is something that HighLevel does offer, and it's integrated with other marketing tools to track and enhance conversions. But Klaviyo really excels in creating targeted email campaigns based on customer behavior, and it integrates really well with e-commerce platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce. Klaviyo also offers features for SMS marketing, so you can contact your leads no matter what. So if they don't check their emails, you can set up automations to text them. Now let's talk about the ease of use between HighLevel and Klaviyo. So HighLevel provides a user-friendly interface. So if I log in to my account here, this is what it looks like. You can see everything you need to on the dashboard. You can switch between agencies, and you can prospect. You can look at, they have this university section for more information to learn about the software. And you've got everything here in one place. It's really easy to follow along. Even though it packs a lot of features, the platform is designed with clarity in mind. That makes it accessible even to newcomers in the marketing agency space. The website is very easy to navigate, and this is what my account looks like on Klaviyo. So it also has a very intuitive design, but its real strength is in the simplicity in creating highly customized and automated email sequences. So the way they've structured everything, if you want to create emails and automate them, then it makes it very easy to do so, even if you are a beginner to Klaviyo. Now let's talk about the integration capabilities. So HighLevel was built with integration in mind, so you can integrate HighLevel seamlessly with a vast range of tools, including major CRM systems, payment gateways, and other marketing platforms. Now its API access also facilitates custom integrations, enhancing its appeal to agencies that manage client needs. So some of the popular tools that you can easily integrate with HighLevel include Salesforce and HubSpot, which are CRMs, or Stripe, PayPal, and Square for payments, and other tools and platforms like MailChimp, ClickFunnels, Zapier, and many more, which you can see here. So chances are that any software that you're really using in your marketing business can be integrated pretty easily with HighLevel. Now, Klaviyo integrates easily with e-commerce platforms, providing detailed analytics and insights into customer purchasing behavior. They do have a narrower focus on the integration compared to HighLevel, HighLevel, since it's not an all-in-one platform like HighLevel is. But that doesn't mean that it's not packed with tons of softwares that you can integrate with, right? So here are some of the different popular softwares and tools that Klaviyo easily integrates with, like BigCommerce and OpenCart, PrestaShop, Shopify, Square for payments, WooCommerce, Wix for website building, Google Ads, and this is just a huge list right here. Now let's talk about pricing structure. So HighLevel offers a tiered pricing model that's straightforward and it scales with the size of the agency. So all the tiers include access to CRM and marketing automation features, and they have a 14-day free trial that you can use for each of these starter and unlimited plans to see if you actually like the platform. So as you can see on the starter plan, you get all the tools you need to capture leads, to turn them into customers. You get social media calendar, website building. You pretty much get everything you need. And then with unlimited, you just get API access and a few other things on top of everything you get in starter. So I think the starter package is absolutely amazing for new marketers and entrepreneurs who want to start an online business. Now, Klaviyo operates on a pricing model that's based on the number of contacts and email sends. So this can get expensive as your email list grows or your number of SMSs grows, but it also allows people to start completely for free. So, by the time you actually get to needing one of these more expensive plans, you're probably already making some money, because the free plan does include 150 free monthly SMSs and 500 emails as well. Now let's talk about the customer support. So if I sign into my dashboard here on HighLevel, if I click this question mark, then you can see that they've got live chat and phone support as well, and they've also got a ton of information here, tutorials and onboarding courses as well. So that makes it really easy to get your problem solved on HighLevel. Similarly with Klaviyo, you can click the support button right here. It opens up another window, and then you can get all sorts of help, including live training. You can get a virtual assistant as well as email support that's available all the time. So by now, you probably have a good understanding of both HighLevel and Klaviyo, but what do other customers have to say about them, and which one has better reviews? So let's look at Trustpilot for HighLevel. Trustpilot's a website where you can get honest reviews of companies, and they actually verify if they're real reviews as well as verify companies. So you can see that HighLevel has a 4.9 rating out of over 2,000 reviews, which is really, really good. Almost all of them being 5 stars. Lots of new recent reviews, amazing reviews. People really, really love HighLevel. And you can also look at the Trustpilot for Klaviyo. Now it has a much lower rating at 2.9 for only 159 reviews, but it's also a verified company. Unfortunately, Klaviyo does have quite a bit of 1-star reviews, so it's not performing nearly as well as HighLevel. People really don't seem to like it. But overall, the decision between HighLevel and Klaviyo should be based on your specific business needs and preferences. But here are some of the general recommendations that I would give you based on my personal opinion. So if you already have an online business and all you need is, to add some SMS and email automation to your business, then Klaviyo might be a good software to use because it offers a flexible pricing structure that grows as your business grows, and you can actually start completely for free to see if you like it. So there really isn't any risk there. Now, the downside to flexible pricing is that if you expect your business to see significant growth, which I'm sure you probably do, then be prepared for your email and SMS automation costs to go up every single month, which can be annoying for a business owner who wants really consistent, predictable expenses. So in this case, you might be better off migrating your business towards HighLevel. They offer excellent customer service, and you can get dedicated support member to help you switch over to their platform. If you are about to start an online business, I would recommend just starting with HighLevel right off the bat. It has everything you need and then some, and it also has a 14-day free trial, which you can actually sign up to using the link in the description. There's really no risk, and you can test the waters before you commit to a paid plan. So once again, I've included the links to both HighLevel and Klaviyo for your convenience in the description box of this video, so you can check it out there. Drop your comments and questions below, and I'll get back to you ASAP. Thanks for watching.